Finally, the top folding sawhorse is the BORA Portamate 4500T. Are you wondering why we have this product in the first position on our list? Well, the reason is it simply offers more features than any other. Although it looks sleek, it is a heavy-duty sawhorse that defines utilitarianism in a compact form. We liked that just like the second product on our list, this sawhorse can support up to 1,500 pounds, and a pair can support up to 3,000 pounds. So no matter the weight of wood you have in mind, the 4500T has what it takes to accomplish your task. Furthermore, it is an award-winning sawhorse. In fact, the 4500T won the 2019 Pro Tools Innovation Award as the best in the sawhorse and table category. This sawhorse simply makes a tough job much more manageable. We particularly liked that the BORA Speedhorse is the only sawhorse around with lever quick release deploy technology, offering instant setup and teardown that is 30 times faster than conventional sawhorses. What's more, unlike other units, the 4500T offers extra length to enable you to arrange your tools on your sawhorse turned job table and keep your workplace well organized. Furthermore, the pre-drilled metal top allows you to screw in 2x4s as makeshift brackets to a work stop. This prolongs the life of your equipment and protects it from damage. Meanwhile, the extra long length of 45 inches provides maximum stability. Lastly, it is effortless to set up and works right out of the box. Overall, we think this is the most user-friendly and comprehensive sawhorse available on the market today. Its pros are, it is very easy to set up or take down, taking only 30 seconds. It has a total capacity of 3,000 pounds, making it suitable for professional use. It has a pre-drilled top so it can be used as a workbench without being damaged, and it is constructed from high-quality materials that are sure to last. However, although it is incredibly fast to deploy, it can't be raised any higher than 30 inches tall, which may not suit some people. The BORA Portamate 4500T is an award-winning sawhorse that is effortless to set up and can be trusted with any heavy-duty work. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.